Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, DevOps Codex, and welcome to Learning Go. It is great to have you here. So, in this tutorial series, we are going to learn about Go programming language suitable for complete beginners. If you don't know anything about Go yet or programming, but would you like to learn, you are on in right place. If you do already have some experience with Go or with programming in other languages, don't worry. This tutorial series will learn some ideas and techniques and ways to tackling the problems that even many advanced Go program don't if you don't know. Okay, and what you will need to do, first of all, the Go should be installed your system. For installing the Go, you can follow the instructions, and for checking the Go, what we can check, Go hyphen version, Go version. Okay, you can see here in my system already it is installed. You can check in your system it is not installed. Just follow any tutorial or official doc where you can get the idea. And second part, like, you should have VS Code editor or any editor which you are comfortable with. Okay, so one more thing, uh, here we are going to follow the book called For the Love of Go, and that is written by John Arundel. This is very awesome book. I really recommend this book. If anyone is going planning to purchase any book to learn the Golang, just buy this book. This is very good book. I'm going to follow each and everything from this book what I have learned. Okay, and all the source codes are available in this repository. Okay, bitfield slash ftl code something is there. Okay, you can follow, you can find out all the programs which we are going to cover. Okay, that is official GitHub repository that is provided by the John. Okay, so what we will learn, okay, so here we are going to learn how to write the test in Go and how to develop the project guided by the tests, and how to manage the data in Go using the built-in data types, user defined struct type, and collections such as map and slices. And next we will learn how to write and test the functions, including the functions that returns the multiple results and error values. That is very important. Sometimes we are writing the code but we don't know whether this code will be run properly or not, and will it give proper result we are which we are expecting. Those we will test via the test cases. How to write the object to model programs in Go, and how to add the behaviors to object using the methods. And next we will learn how to use the pointers to write the methods that modify the objects, and how to use the type and validation to make your Go package easy to use. And next we will learn DevOps related real time projects with Go test cases, and we will write the some CLI tool to perform the DevOps engineering tasks. And we will also learn about the REST APIs calls, scripting, and monitoring part as well. Okay, as we know, Docker, Kubernetes, Prometheus, these tools build in using the Golang, and it is very compatible to customize those tools with the help of Golang. Okay, that is why Golang is uh, very demanding in market for DevOps, SRE, and platform engineer. Even though for data engineer also they were looking if you are good in Golang. Okay, so let's talk about one example. If you are considering to writing a function called multiply, and you wanted to be able to check that if it is worked, you might write a program that called multiply and 2 comma 2. Okay, 2 comma 2 in the sense, whatever you are going to multiply. Suppose let me create calculator go. This is the extension. Go is the extension. Okay, suppose I am going to use the function called multi. Okay, and here I am passing the argument 2 comma 2. I am want to multiply up two numbers. Okay, so what will be the expected answer would be 4. Okay, but how you will check that your answer is correct or not without running your code? With the help of test. That is test. It's written out that it is good idea to write the test even before you writing the functions. It tests it. Okay, and so let's start. Okay, so today is our day one. What we will try to learn, we will write some functions. Okay, and we will create first project. Okay, in Golang. To setting up your first Go project, what you have to do, open your favorite code editor and create a project folder. I In my case I have created the calculator. Okay, and inside the calculator, what you have to do, go and run the go mod init command. Why we are going to run the go mod init command? Initialize the go module. Okay, every go project need two things. Keep in mind, every Go project needs two things. First one, a folder on disk to keep its source code, which I have created. A folder on disk to keep its source code in in your disk space. So I have created the folder called calculator. Okay, and a go.mod file which identifies the modules or project name. Okay, so for initializing our go project, what we will do, we will run the command. Okay, so I'm going on my terminal, and here I will run go mod init, and I am passing the calculator. Calculator is my project name. See, once I will run this command, what it will do, it's added one go.mod file, and you can see the content inside the mod file, module calculator, and what version we are using, which version of Golang we are using. So here I'm using 1.2.11 something. Okay, I hope it's clear. And to find the name, I already shown you. Okay, go module and handle the dependency effectively. Okay, so go.mod file define your project as a go module and handle the dependency effectively. Next, what we have to do, uh, we have created a module. Okay, what was the module name? Module name was the calculator. Okay, you can see here. Next, we have to do, we have to create a file, go file. So here I have created the calculator.go. You can create in your case if you not yet created. Okay, and here first, using the code editor, uh, what we are going to do, we will write a function. Okay, what function? We are going to write a function for calculating two numbers. Okay, so what you have to do, I will write the, I will paste the link of this repository. Don't uh, just copy paste. Okay, for simplicity, for time being, we will explain each and everything later. Okay, just see the beauty of Golang and what is the importance of the test cases. Okay, so what we have done here, package calculator we have defined, and we have created one function add a comma b. Okay, and what will be the data type of a and b? That could be the float, 64-bit. And what will be the return type? Float 64, and it will be return a plus b. Okay, clear? And next, what we are going to do, we will create one more file. That file name would be the test file. So the file name of the test, like I'm going to create calculator underscore test dot go. Okay, this is our test file. So again I'm going to copy paste the code here from here for time being. Okay, don't worry, we will explain each and everything, we will learn each and everything one by one. Just see what is the beauty of test cases. So what we have did here, we define the package calculator underscore test, and we imported the calculator and testing two packages. Okay, package testing provides the support for automated testing for go packages, and it is intended to be used in correct with go test command, which automates the execution of any function of the form. Okay, and calculator package, the package calculator provide a library for simple calculation in go. Okay, so what we did here, whatever function we are creating, the function should be start with the test. Okay, and we have given the name test add. Okay, we will explain each and everything one by one. Okay, so but let's run the test once. Okay, so how we will run this, let me save this file and this file as well. Okay, so for running the test, what we will do, go run test. Okay, sorry, just we have to run the go test. You can see here it is showing pass. Okay, calculator, and how much time it's took, it's taken 0.0001 second. Okay, and directly you can run your test cases from here with VS Code editor itself. You can see here it has been got success. This tells us that all the test cases passed in this package called calculator, and running them, and it's taken around this much second. Okay, if your test cases is failing, what it will happen, let me show you. Suppose I'm going to give it 5, don't worry, I will explain these things. Okay, and now I'm going to run our test cases. See, our test cases got failed. What we want 4, but what we got, sorry, what we want 5, as I mentioned, and we got 4. That is why it is not matching, so it is showing it is failed. Once I will create, because 2 plus 2 will be the 4, not 5. Okay, let me run it again. See, this has been passed. Okay, so what we did, we created a project, we initialized the project, added a test function, added a function like addition of two numbers, and third, we write it down the test cases and we run the test cases. Okay, our visha, our test cases got failed and passed in both case. If it is failing, what is showing, and if it is passing, what is showing, visha, each and everything here. Okay, for running the test cases, what we have to do, make sure you are inside that project. Okay, and for running the test cases, we have to run the command run tests. And if you are writing the test function, the test function will start from test. Okay, and you can write anything, but prefix should be from test, it should be start from text. Okay, next is, suppose you uh, written some code. Okay, and some indentation error is there. Suppose you mention some extra space. Okay, so how you will make it formatted? Okay, how you can format your code in proper way so that your at the time of running the code it should not be give any error. Okay, so for doing that, what we have to run, we have one command, go fmt, okay, hyphen d calculator underscore test dot go. Let me save it. Okay. Oh, why it is not showing in my case? Because I automated this with the help of our source code editor. Okay, VS Code editor. Okay, see here, I'm giving some extra space. When I'm going to shape it, automatically what it will do, it will be formatted. You can see, if you don't have that extension installed, just try to run go fmt hyphen d calculator, pass the file name, it will be show what the changes are there. And if you want to automatically apply those changes, what you have to do, you have to write go fmt hyphen w calculator.go or that file name, it will be format your file. Suppose while running this command, if you are not getting any output, means no output, means the file is correctly formatted. And the best thing is set up your editor to run the fmt automatically on save to avoid the formatting error. Explore the go fmt and enhance the version of go fmt to stricter formatting. Okay, so with the help of that, what you can do, you can automate this part. Okay, so our next question is next slide is showing like takeaways what we learn. The go mod init command initialize a new project, a folder. The go test command run the test for a go packages, and the go fmt command will check the go code for standard formatting and fix it is if it is necessary. A function declaration announcement announces the name of new function, list the parameters its take along with any result it will return. However, the go test fails, it shows the exact file and line where the failure happened as well as what failed. You can see here when we modified it. Suppose I'm giving 5 here and I'm running it again. What it is showing, in which line number line number 13. Okay, it is got failing. You can see here everything it is showing. Okay, so and as I mentioned, the name of test functions begins with word test, and they take start testing.t parameters which let us control the test execution. Use the want and got pattern to structure the tests, express the result you want, and then compare it with you got from calling the function, something like that. Okay, so let's talk more about the go got and want. You can see here, for testing we define t dot star dot testing dot t to control our testing part. Okay, and we define one variable where want. Okay, and the type of want will be the float. Want in the sense what will be the expected output of this parameter. Okay, expected output is 4. Okay, because 2 plus 2 will be 4, so it will be try to run these test cases, and whatever actual function your function is returning, you can see here, This is the add function which we created here in calculator.go. So actual output, it will be compare from whatever want you define. If want is not equal to god, it will be throw the error t dot error of want. This one you can see here, uh, when we mention 5, okay, and running this, you can see want got, see, it is showing we want 5, but what we got 4. That is why test cases got failed. If I'm changing it to 4, what it will do, it should be success. See here, it is success. The next point is we can call t dot error to cause the test to fail with a message. If we don't do that, the test will pass by default. If the statement is used to take some action, for example, fail the test, if some condition is true, for example, you want doesn't match got, then you can do also that things. So I hope you guys learn something from this, why test cases is important. We written the function, okay, add function, and we know this should be run in this way. For checking that part, we are writing the test cases, and test cases will test based on our expectation. So it would be very easy to think about like what we are writing and what we are expecting, whether it is working properly or not. In next video we will see the more detailed part of this function, and we will write some more function and along with the test cases. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, have a good day.